Graph the line y equals negative 2x plus 1 and a line perpendicular to it passing through 0, 3. All right, let's first graph this first line, the y equals negative 2x plus 1. Again, this is in our slope y equals mx plus b form. So if we want to graph that line, our b is our y-intercept where it crosses the y-axis. That happens at 1. So right here, we have our first point. Then they tell us our slope is negative 2. That means we're going down 2 units over 1 unit right there. 2 points make a line, and we can connect these dots here. And we have our first line. That is our y equals negative 2x plus 1. All right. We now need to graph our second line. So let's go here. It needs to be perpendicular to our first line. So our first line had a slope of negative 2. It told us here. So the perpendicular line has to have the negative reciprocal of that, which is a positive 1/2. Remember, negative becomes a positive, and 2 becomes 1 over 2, right there. So we have a slope of 1/2. Now, they don't actually ask us to determine what this line is. We can write it in point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And that becomes, well, m is 1/2 right here. Our points, they're giving it to us, x minus 0 right there, and then y minus 3. But I'm going to show you that we can graph it without finding the line, and we'll see if it lines up. So they tell us it passes to the point 0, 3. So that point right here is 0. When x is 0, y is a positive 1, 2, 3 right here. All right. And it's perpendicular, right, to our previous line, so it has a slope of 1/2. So that means we're going up 1 unit over 2 units right here. Now, if we graph this, 2 points make a line. It should make roughly a right angle. Now I'm drawing on boards. A little difficult, but it looks like a right angle right there. And it should be. They're perpendicular. And that's our line y equals, well, let's go find it in y equals mx plus b form. So y equals mx plus b. Now, we'll show it 2 ways here. First way, we already know the slope. So y equals 1/2 x plus b. The point that they gave us is 0, 3, which is the y-intercept, which is the b value, which is 3. So that equation is y equals 1/2 x plus 3. What we have right here. So y equals 1/2 x plus 3. This will simplify to be that. Distribute the 1/2 here. Y minus 3 equals 1/2 x. 1/2 minus or times 0 is still 0, so minus 0. We don't need that anymore. Cross that off. We then just have to add a 3 to both sides. And y equals 1/2 x plus 3. Look, they're the same. So either way, using point slope form, or knowing that this is the y-intercept, and we got our slope, same line. Either way, we have graphed both of these lines, y equals negative 2x plus 1, and the line perpendicular to it that passes through the point 0, 3.